Good day everyone, I am Mark Michael de Guzman from BSCE 4C and I am here to discuss a sample problem for our Comper 2 which is about actually loaded column. So here is the sample problem. Design a square-tied column of smallest cross-section to carry an actual dead load of 655 kilonewtons and an actual live load of 540 kilonewtons. Assume our FC prime is equal to 20.7 megapascal and our Fy is equal to 276 megapascal. Use 22 millimeter main bars, and the first thing we need to do is to solve for our P sub u, which is equal to 1.2 times the dead load plus 1.6 times the live load. By substituting the values, which are 655 and 540 respectively, we'll get P sub u is equal to 1,650 kilonewtons. For the smallest section, we'll use AST is equal to 0.06 Ag. Our P sub u is also equal to our phi times P sub n, where our phi is our reduction factor and our P sub n is equal to 0.8 times 0.85 times Fc prime times Ag minus AST plus Fy times our AST. By substituting the values, we'll get 1,650,000 for our PU, and it is equal to 0.65, the reduction factor, times 0.8 times 0.85 times 20.7, our FC prime, times Ag minus our AST, which is also equal to 0.06 Ag, plus 276 times our AST, which is also 0.06 Ag. We'll get 1,650,000 is equal to 0.52 times 16.5393 Ag plus 16.56 Ag. We'll get 17.211636 Ag is equal to 1,650,000. By dividing both sides by 17.211636, we'll get Ag is equal to 95,865 square millimeters. Since our column is square, B square is equal to Ag, the cross-section of our column. So, B square is equal to 95,865 square millimeters. By getting the square root of both sides, we'll get B is equal to 309.6 millimeters, and we can say that we'll use 310 millimeters. We'll now get the value of our AST, and in this we'll use the 310 for our Ag. So AST is equal to 0.06 Ag, and by substituting it, AST is equal to 0.06 310 times 310 squared. So AST is equal to 5,766 square millimeters. Now we'll get the number of 22 millimeter bars that we'll be using for this column. So N is equal to AST over Ag. Substituting the values, we'll have N is equal to 5,766 over pi over 4 times 22 squared. So N will be equal to 15.17, and we can say that we'll be using 16 bars. Therefore, we'll be using 310 millimeters by 310 millimeters column with 16 22 millimeter diameter bars. Thank you.